Yeah, go ahead. That's Desi out of the whelping room. Say hi to TomTom, Des. Said, no, I'm loose. There you go. It's a kitty. Desi, say hi. Tom, what do you think of this one? This one doesn't even pay you mind. Think if you can hold him, I'll open the cage door. Just make sure that, you know, you're prepared. Tom, you want to say hi to Desi? Come on, baby. Tom's like, dude, I don't want to work today. You want to bring Desi over here and see what Tom does? Here, there's a kitty. There's a kitty in there. You don't want to stick your head in there, smart dog. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You're a puppy. I know you were going to be good. Go get in there. Tom, come here. Say hi to the... You're adorable. Say hi to the kitty. He's like, but I don't want to get in the crate. He's got things with crates. That's just why he's, you know, protective of his space. He don't like it. Come on. Come on, Tommy. You're going to have to get your butt out. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no biting the tail. Let it sniff. Come on. Oh, it's a kid. I think he just want to play. Tom's like, you come near me, I'll scratch you. He's not, he's disinterested. Come on, Desi. Come here, say hi to Tom. Tom's not purring. Come here, baby. Good boy, Tom. Desi, say hi to the kitty.
Not me.
Say hi to the kitty. Come here. Not me. The kitty is right here underneath. Yeah, that's a kitty. Good boy. What do you think, Tom? Tom is purring. I think that's good. I mean, he couldn't care less. He's a puppy. He can easily be trained into anything. Innocent. Let me get the list for you. Let me just give you the list.
I think 58.
All right.